Local news for Thursday, the 22nd of August. George Bennett from Cracky Range will represent Wairarapa as the countdown is on to the 2019 Bayer Young Viticulturalist of the Year national final begins. 6 finalists from around the country will take part in this year's prestigious competition, held from Monday at Te Awa Winery in Hawke's Bay. Little progress in distributed clinical leadership represents a lost opportunity, according to the Association of Salaried Medical Specialists. Executive Director Ian Powell says not a single specialist at Wairarapa DHB believed they were committed to distributed clinical leadership. 26% of members across the country responded to the survey. A commercial and industrial property portfolio is for sale in Masterton, featuring a block of high street shops, a vehicle testing station and industrial hub. The 3 properties are based at various locations across Masterton and being marketed for sale individually by Bailey's Wairarapa, the tender process for each property closing at 2 p.m. on the 19th of September. In sport, it's congratulations to locals Ross Taylor and Seth Rance, who have both been named in the Black Caps T20 squad. And in tomorrow night's netball, Harcourts will take on Celtic, St Matthews will play Gladstone, while Saturday's game sees Carterton Legends take on Greytown at 1:30.